what is that gain. I will try to analyze its overall gain. Like that I will start to analyze. That is known as characterizing. Okay. Next, MOSFET internal capacitance and high frequencies means what we will do. See, this is the general thing we will study, and in here in this part of the chapter, very important, and it is bit difficult, but I will make it easy, students. So what we will do in this case, we will take a MOSFET, we will provide it with an input with very high frequency. So MOSFET, when we give the MOSFET with very high frequency, what are its characteristics? The the capacitance will come into picture there. The capacitance effect will come into picture there. So that we will be studying in this part. Okay. Next, after this, frequency response of a common source amplifier. See, frequency response means you have actually three frequency bands, that is low frequency, mid frequency and high frequency. So how does a common source amplifier behave in all the three regions? That we will be studying in frequency response of common source amplifier. The last one we will be studying about the oscillators. So in oscillators we will be studying phase shift oscillator, LC oscillator, crystal oscillator, all the different types of oscillators we will be studying. Understood? So this is the overview of the complete module 2. Is it clear to you all? Is it clear? So we will
Yes,
be studying
ma'am.
both high as well as the low frequency, mainly the high frequency response, the characterization and its application we will be studying. Okay. So now, are you all able to see the screen? PDF ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
blur ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay. See, now what I told the basic configuration. Okay. See, if I say the basic configuration, basic MOSFET amplifier configuration means what? Okay. See, basic MOSFET amplifier as a amplifier configuration means basically what we will do. We will, this chapter is completely with respect to amplifiers. With respect to what? I am using the application as what? Amplifiers. We are using the application of what, students? Amplifier. Okay. So you have to keep in mind, for the MOSFET to work as an amplifier, it should be in saturation region. Second very important point. So the MOSFET should be in saturation region to work as an amplifier. So you should know what are the three basic configuration. So the three basic configuration of a MOSFET to make it work as an amplifier are three. What are the three basic configuration? First one is the common source amplifier, second one is the common gate amplifier, and the third one is common drain amplifier. So these are the three MOSFET amplifier basic configuration. I repeat, the three basic configuration are common source amplifier, common gate amplifier, and common drain amplifier. Okay. So by connecting in this means we can make the MOSFET as an amplifier. Okay. So when we connect as a common source, or when we connect as a common drain, or when we connect as a common gate, we will have two ports. One is the input port and the other is the output port. Now tell me, what are the three basic configuration?
Common source amplifier, common gate.
Yes. Then other one, common drain configuration. Okay. Yes. How many ports will be there? How many ports will be there? Ishto?
Two.
What are the two ports?
Input and output.
Input and the output port. Okay. So let me study one by one. See, the first we will study about common source amplifier. So in common source, first yen madbeku gotta, common source amplifier means, look at the heading, common source. Common source means source terminal is common to both input as well as the output. I told you there are two ports. Common source means source terminal will be same, will be common to both two ports. What are the two ports? One is the input port and the other one is the output port. Okay. So if I say common drain amplifier, the drain terminal will be common to both input and output. If I say common gate configuration, the gate terminal will be common to both input and output terminal. Okay. So the first thing, when I say common source amplifier, what you have to remember, the source terminal will be common to both input and output. First thing. What is the other thing you have to do? Common source means source terminal will be grounded. Very, very important. Source terminal will be grounded. Now if I say common gate, common gate means gate terminal is common to both input and output, and the gate terminal will be grounded. Similarly, common drain means a drain terminal will be connected to ground and drain will be common to both input and output. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me write this common source amplifier. So common source amplifier means what are the two things I told? Source terminal will be common to both input and output. Source terminal will be grounded. These 2 points you have to remember. See here. See students, basically we are analyzing all this for N channel MOSFET. We are not taking P channel MOSFET. So if I take this MOSFET, this terminal represents the gate, this terminal represents the drain, and this terminal represents the source. Okay. So common source means what? Can you see source terminal grounded? Yes. Source terminal is grounded. So here what happens, if the source terminal is grounded, this forms the input part of the circuitry, that is the input port, and this forms the output part of the circuitry. Very, very important. So I repeat, common source means source terminal is common to both input as well as the output part of the circuitry, and the source terminal is grounded. Can you see this? Can you see the source terminal grounded?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this source is common to both input as well as the output. Okay. Very, very important. So what we are doing, I repeat, in this circuit, source terminal is connected to ground. And what is the input voltage we are applying? V suffix I is the input voltage that is applied between gate and source. So the input Vi, whatever we are applying, that is the input applied between gate and source. So gate is the input, source terminal is grounded, and we are taking the output V0. Can you see this V0 here? Can you see this V0?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Yes,
V0,
ma'am.
from where do we take the output V0? Which terminal is this? Which terminal is this?
Drain.
Yes, drain and source. So very, very important. In common source amplifier, source terminal is grounded. Source is between the input and output. Vi is the input applied between gate and source. V0 is the output taken between drain and source. Okay, very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. So what I want to repeat once again here, source terminal is common to both input as well as output. So the input Vi that is applied will be between gate and source, and the output that we are taking, that is, who is this? Shreya? Yes, the output V0 is taken between the drain and source. Understood? Very, very important. Next, which is the next configuration I told you? The other configuration is known as the common gate amplifier. So, see students, in case of common source amplifier, I repeat, in case of common source amplifier, what is happening? I told source is common to both input and output. So in this type of amplifier, you can easily make out this is input as well as this is output. Whereas in common gate amplifier, if you just look at this circuitry, you cannot differentiate which is input and output. So for that, we have to write the equivalent circuitry. Understood? See, before going to that, let me study what is common gate amplifier. See, common gate amplifier means which terminal will be grounded? I told you before itself. Which terminal will be grounded?
Gate.
Which terminal and gate will be grounded, and it is common to both. Which where it is common to where?
Input and output.
Gate
Input and
terminal is
output.
grounded, and it will be common to both input as well as output. Okay.
Output.
So can you see I have grounded the gate here, and can you see I have grounded the gate? Yes. Now I am applying the input Vi. I am taking the output V0. Very, very important. Where I am applying the input. Okay. So where I am applying the input? Here, very, very important. Since gate is grounded, we are applying the input to the source. So since gate is grounded, we are applying the input to the source terminal, and we are taking the output between drain and the ground. Drain and which terminal? Drain and gate here. So between drain and the other terminal is grounded here. So we are taking the output at the drain and we are applying the input at the source. Very, very, very important, students. See here, what important thing you have to note it here. Please take a pen and paper and note. In common source amplifier, where we are giving the input? In common source
Gate.
amplifier, gate. Which terminal is
Gate.
grounded?
Source.
Yes, sir.
Terminal.
Where we are giving the input?
Gate.
You have to say between gate and source, VGS, between gate and source. Where we are taking the output?
Drain.
Between
Drain and
source.
ground. Drain and ground or drain and source. Very, very important. So I conclude, means I will say in common source, we will give the input at the gate and we will take the output at the drain. Okay. Now, many of the students will make the mistake here. So in common gate amplifier, where will you give the input?
So
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Source.
Yes,
Source.
Yes. Where do you take the output?
Drain.
drain.
Yes.
Drain.
So in common source amplifier, you will give the input at the gate, take the output at the drain. Whereas in common gate amplifier, you will give the input at the source and you will take the output at the drain. Very, very important.
Drain.
Okay. And one more thing. This is the drain resistance RD. So see students, if I want to take the output directly, I cannot probe and take. I have to place a resistance there. So your RD forms the drain resistance. RD forms the drain resistance because it is connected to the drain terminal with respect to ground here in this circuitry. Okay. So how many configurations you studied now? What are the two configuration I taught you?
CS and CG.
Common.
CS and CG. CS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಮ್ಮ?
Source. Gate.
Gate.
ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
To gate.
ಗೇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟು ದ ಗೇಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Okay. The last configuration is common drain amplifier. So the last configuration is known as the common drain amplifier. See students, common drain amplifier is also known as source follower. Okay. So common drain amplifier is also known as what? Source follower. Alle barkobeku. Common drain is also known as source follower. Illi enagutte here the drain terminal is connected to ground. Common drain means what? Drain terminal is connected to ground and this is common to both input as well as the output. Very, very important. Okay. I repeat, common drain configuration is also known as the source follower and the drain terminal will be common to both input and output. Idral ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here in common drain amplifier we will give the input to the gate. I repeat, in the common drain amplifier we will give the input to the gate and we will take the output at the source. Okay.
Source.
So haudu. In common drain amplifier we will give the input to the gate and we will take the output at the source. Innond sati heli, common drain alli elli input kodtivi?
Gate.
Gate.
To
Output
gate.
elli ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ?
Output at source.
Source.
Now in common gate, where do I give the input? Common gate, common gate, common gate. Where do we
Source
give the
Source.
source hatra input?
Source is the input, drain is the output.
Common source ali, common source, common source, common source.
Gate is the input, source
Gate
is
is
the
the
output.
input. Yes.
Aita.
Sorry, drain is the output.
Drain is output.
Okay. So these, what is the other name for common drain?
Source
follower.
follower.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this ಇದನ್ನ ಆಯ್ತು. This will be for 5 marks. This will be for 5 marks. You have to draw the circuitry, may show the input and show the output also. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, can you see the load resistance RL? Why I have indicated by RL? See, previous case I was writing RD because we were connecting the resistance to the drain. See, previous circuitry, we were connecting the resistance to the drain. That is why we used to write RD. So here we cannot write it as RS. We will directly conclude it as RL. Okay. We will conclude it as RL. Very, very important. So, idu more configuration. These will be carrying 5 marks with circuitry. Artha aita? Now, next we shall go for characterizing amplifiers, which is the next topic. Iduna kele keltarappa 8 marks ge. Write down the characterization of an amplifier, they will ask. Okay. So characterizing amplifier means what? Knowing about the property of an amplifier. Okay. Knowing the property of an amplifier means what are the 3 configuration? Common base, common drain and common gate. We have to know the property of that 3 configuration. Okay. So for that, what is the general block diagram? General diagram. Can you see this triangular structure? Can you see this one? I am pointing it. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
amplifier. Yes, this is the amplifier, and this forms the input to the amplifier, and this forms the output to the amplifier. I repeat, this is the amplifier. This towards the left forms the input for the amplifier. To the right, it forms the output for the amplifier. Okay. So for this amplifier, what I am doing, I am applying yakappa. For this amplifier, what I am ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. What is the input here? ಇದಾಕಿ ಇದು. What is the input here? I am applying the input V signal here, and for this V signal, and this is your R signal. Yes, R signal. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು output ಹಾಕಿ. ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, what is the output here? This is the output V0. Okay, so the input V signal and R signal, and the output is V0. Okay, so this is also the load resistance. What is this known as? This is known as the amplifier, and this is the input and this is the output. Now characterizing means what we have to do? We have to know its properties. Know its properties means what? Finding the input impedance, finding the output impedance, what is the gain, all that. See, when I connect V signal here, the current that is flowing through this amplifier is known as the input current I suffix I. Okay, and the current that is coming out from this is known as I0. So the input current is I of I, and the output current is I0. And the input voltage, see, though you give V signal, all that V signal will not enter the amplifier. There will be some drop. So that drop is Vi. Though you give 5 volts here, all that complete 5 volts will not enter here. Some 4 or 4.4 volts will enter. That is the drop. So that change in voltage is indicated as V suffix I. Idon mark madi. V suffix I is the exact input. V suffix I is the exact input that is given to the amplifier. Very, very important. Now, let me see here. Okay. Illi ee figure ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So after this, what happens here? E RL mark madi. Mark this RL. Mark this RL. So this load resistance RL, what happens? It is the saku ಒಂದು. This load resistance RL is the output of first stage. Suppose if we connect one more. Suppose if we cascade. Cascade means the same amplifier, I will connect one more amplifier here. Suppose if I connect one more amplifier here, For the second amplifier, the output of the first amplifier will be the input to the second amplifier. The output of the first amplifier will be the input to the second amplifier. So your RL represents the output of first amplifier and the input for the second amplifier. So what we will do now, we will write the equivalent circuitry. Equivalent circuitry andre, can you see this VI here? VI torsappa ile. Can you see this VI here? Yes, this is your VI. Now how I will draw? See, all the amplifier will have a gain. Will the amplifier have a gain? Yes, the amplifier will have a gain. So we have to draw the circuitry for that amplifier. See, what we did, I think you can see V signal here. You have V signal here. So write the same V signal here. Same V signal enide alli bariri. And you had R signal also you wrote here. And you had I of I. I of I ellide? I of I had shown. Here you have I of I. Till here you write as it is. V signal, R signal, I of I. So what is this? Yaridu? Okay. So what is this VI? I told you VI illi VI ide andre, what exactly I told you? This is VI I told. So VI means what? When I give 5 volts here, all the 5 volts will not enter. There will be some drop due to the internal input resistance, due to some input resistance. So how do we show that input resistance? R in. So the drop across R in is known. Il R in mark madappa yaro? Illa figure al mark madi. Figure. Equivalent circuit al nang barta illa il madi. That R in represents the input resistance. So the drop across that input resistance is VI. E blue color tegiri onchuru VI kanstilla. So R in il mark madi VI hatra. So R in represents the input resistance. VI represents the input voltage. Mark that VI. Show that VI. Illi input side hatra. Yes. So V signal is the input voltage. R signal is the resistance. I of I is the current. And R in is the input resistance. VI represents the drop across that R in. So if I give 5 volts, the drop across this R in may be around 4.4. That may be the input. So il mark madi, this completely forms the input. This completely forms the input. Idistu mark madi, this completely forms the input. Write that as input. IN anta bariri. I/P input. That forms the input part. Input part athwa input port. If somebody is able to write, please write that. That is known as the input part. Now coming to the output. Aito. Coming to the output. Il side al bariyad bitbut al baritidra. Okay. Coming to the output. Output na mark madi. Show the output. Mark with that yellow color. Illi output torsi. Show that output. Idu output torsi illi bega. So this is the output part of the circuitry. Illi basically students, the output, this circuit, if I say a MOSFET idna barkobeko. MOSFET is a voltage controlled current source. Okay, voltage controlled current source. See, basically we are making use as a voltage amplifier. We are making use as a voltage amplifier. Yes, muted. So here this is the output part of the circuitry. Can you see this A V0 into VI? Id mark madama yaridu? Make bere color al mark madi. A V0 into VI. Please mark this. A V0 into VI. Bere color ali. A V0 into VI represents the gain into VI. See, actually at the output what I will give? What I will get? At the output I will get the amplified version. Amplified means what? Gain into input. Can you see gain? AV, it mark madi. AV0 is the gain into VI. So AV0 into VI represents the gain. What is VI? VI is the input. So VI is the input. AV0 is the gain. So your output, torsi round ge. Your output V0 is nothing but gain into V in. AV0 is the gain, VI is the input. Okay. Now mark this one. Idan mark madappa bere color alli ide important. So this is known as R naught. R naught represents the output impedance. R naught represents the output impedance. RL represents the load resistance. So what we will do, load resistance is nothing but your drain resistance. We are taking the output V naught across RL, and this is R naught, that is the output impedance. So from this circuitry, from this whole circuitry, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ whole circuitry mark ಮಾಡಿ, from this complete circuitry, V signal is the input, R signal is the resistance, I of I is the input current, Ri is the input impedance, R naught is the output impedance, AV naught is the gain, and RL is the load resistance, V naught is the output. So so idರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ what characterization means what? We have to find this R in, ಇದನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ. We have to find this R in, we have to find this R naught, we have to find this AV naught, R naught. First one, 1, 2, 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and V naught one ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ, V naught. So this is V naught. So these are the parameters we have to find. So that is known as characterization. So if you don't write this circuitry, you will be getting 0 marks. That is why we have to derive these parameters. Yeah, parameters. So R in, next to AV naught, next to R naught, next to V naught. So these are the parameters you have to find, and VI also. Iduk separate round hakbek actually. Idu. So VI, R in, AV naught, R naught, V naught. Okay. So these are the parameters you have to find. Okay. So finding these parameters is known as characterization. Artha aita? So finding these parameters is known as characterization. Artha aita at least ivattu?
Oh ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, how to find this input resistance parameter one by one? ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ input resistance ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಬೇರೆದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this input resistance ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ R in ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ. R in is equal to ಅದು how to find R in? ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಲೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. So R in represents the input resistance. R in is given by VI by II. So what is this VI? I told you, if I give 5 volts, the complete 5 volts will not enter to the amplifier. Okay, there will be drop across this resistance. So what is that resistance? R in given by V in, VI divided by I of I. I of I is the input current. R in is equal to V of I divided by I of I. Okay, so this is how we find the input resistance. So tomorrow we shall find out the other parameters. ಇವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
ಇದು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಭಯಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್, ನಾಳೆನೂ ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಳೆನೂ ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ,
Okay.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ನಾಳೆನೂ ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ಇವತ್ತದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಫುಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲೋ, ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲೋ?
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ತರಲಾರ್ಟೆ.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ಸರಿ,
Thank you, ma'am.
ಏನು
ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ, ಆಯ್ತು ಇರು.